came out to go walking along the river at Corrales, New Mexico. And, well, I needed the bathroom. So, I mean, I could go out in the river, but I don't like to do that. I need a toilet seat. So, I went to 4 different businesses in Corrales, and they all claimed that their toilet was out of order, that they didn't have any water. Very interesting. I find that very unfriendly for businesses. Even if I'm willing to pay. So I left the area and I came over to the Alameda open space. And out here they have public restrooms. But in the end, this is better. I like hearing the birds, these crows. I do like the sound of the crows. I haven't been on this side of the river for years. I usually go to Corrales and walk there, but I came over to the Alameda and I'm hiking south. It's a lot of birds and ducks out here. Wow, this is nice. It's a lot of ducks. A lot of geese and ducks. Not walking very fast today. It's been a week since I've been walking. I had to do a trip to Houston, Texas. And I was there for a week in regards to family matters. And now I'm back. I wanted to come back and get back into my regular routine of going hiking and exercising, and keeping active. Eventually my family in Houston wants me to move over, but I don't know if I ever will. I got there and it was constantly raining, cloudy, and the humidity. It was cold this last week. It was totally different than the cold in New Mexico. I was surprised it was 57 degrees. 57 degrees in New Mexico is perfect weather. But over there, with 80% humidity, 57 is freezing temperature. It felt like 30 degrees out here. And then it was constantly raining. So I don't see life there. Life for me is hiking and keeping active and exercising. If I moved to Houston, it'd probably be sitting on a recliner waiting to die. I don't see anything positive in going there. There's not much to do there. I don't know. I'll go back and check it out on my own and see what's there. But yeah, there's plenty of restaurants and museums, but those are things that I really don't care for. No, I like to go explore abandoned places and hidden trails and canyons. So going to museums and eating out is not my cup of tea. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just I don't want to be tempted by food to get back into eating carbs.